On June 3, 1998, Germany's safest train had a catastrophic failure. Let's break down exactly how it happened.
The Intercity Express, or ICE, was the absolute pinnacle of German engineering, a real symbol of safety.
And just like that, the journey became a nightmare. But this was only the beginning.
So, how does one of the world's best trains just fail? It all started with a quest for comfort. Originally, the ICE trains used these super strong single-piece wheels, but yeah, they had one big problem.
At top speeds, they vibrated a lot. Passengers were not happy. So engineers looked for a fix.
And this was it, the resilient wheel. A wheel within a wheel to absorb all those nasty vibrations.
So you had this trade-off, proven strength versus a quiet ride. The problem? It was untested at high speed.
And there were warnings. Researchers and even other operators pointed out the risks, but they were ignored.
So on that day, a passenger actually saw the broken steel and ran to alert the conductor.
But get this, company policy said they had to inspect it first. The train traveled 3 more fatal kilometers.
And that's when the chain reaction began. The broken part hit a switch, and the catastrophe was set. Then, a 300-ton bridge collapsed right on top of them. The coaches just folded like an accordion.
101 people lost their lives. 88 more were severely injured. Just devastating.
To give you an idea of the force, 2 carriages were crushed down to just 6 inches high.
The human toll was just staggering. It became one of the worst rail disasters in history, period.
The investigation found so many failures. This very wheel had been reported as faulty 8 times.
You see, the solution designed for comfort actually eliminated a critical safety warning, vibration itself.
In the aftermath, huge changes were made. They went right back to the old, proven wheels and re-engineered everything.
It really makes you ask, when does the search for perfection compromise basic safety? A truly chilling lesson.